Hello guys, welcome to my channel Internet Journey. So in this video, I will tell you 5 great books to read during this quarantine time. So from past several days, we all are stuck in our homes due to this coronavirus. We have nothing to do in our homes except watching Netflix and Amazon Prime, Hotstar, Disney Plus and these all. But if you deeply understand the value of this time, it is so precious. It is sad to see people dying and our doctors and police are under pressure. But this is the only way we can reduce their pressure is to sit in our homes and develop some great skills because which will help them and us also, because after lockdown things won't get easy. Our economy is so low and the unemployment rate will increase. It's best if we spend this as once in a lifetime opportunity properly. And I will suggest some great books which will help us in this quarantine time. So number 1, this book name is Power of Habit. This book is all about starting a new habits. If you are overweighted, slim, alcoholic or having any other bad habits, even if depression or anxiety, this book is best for you. Successful people decide their habits and their habits decide their future. This is all about how to create a good habits by changing your previous bad habits, because habits are not created, they are changed. Like some people are get satisfaction by playing PUBG or watching Netflix, while others get the same satisfaction by reading book. So number 2, this book name is You Can Win. In today's world, many people having ability, intelligence and knowledge to do best in whatever they work they are doing, but the only thing they don't have is the right attitude and self-esteem, which is very critical for success. So this is the right time to develop a perfect attitude. Like one person can see this quarantine and blame China or the government for such things, and others can take this as a God blessing and start doing their side businesses or working on their passion. So attitude is must in whatever you do, and this book will help you to build a perfect attitude. Some important points you will learn in this book. A person will be successful with or without a formal education if they have these 5 qualities. Number 1, character, commitment, conviction, courtesy and courage. Number 3, this book name is Start with Why. In our daily life, we will do so many things and ask a question about whatever you are doing, why you are doing that thing, and why you are going to college, and why you are doing this particular job, why you are going to school. And you tell yourself why you are doing what you are doing. If not, then read this book which will surely help you discover your why. And your next question is, why is it important to find out why? It is because of our brain. Why you don't get up in the morning, why don't you stop smoking, why don't you stop alcoholing, why don't you stop procrastinating? It is because you don't have any reason to stop. It is so fun to just sit and enjoy Netflix or play PUBG rather than go out and struggle. But without any struggle, you can't achieve success, and without success, you are nothing. So this book will help you to know why you are doing all the things. Number 4, this book name is J.R.D. Tata, Magic of Leadership. If you are an Indian and you haven't heard about Tata, and for all outsiders, this is the one of the most oldest and valuable companies in India. The company was founded by Jamsetji Tata in 1868. It is one of the biggest industrial groups in the country, founded 153 years back in 1868. So not focusing on his personal life, I will tell you about his business life. All his business life was written beautifully in this book. So in this book, author tells that the J.R.D. Tata believe in 4 things, that is vision, values, valor, victory. So this book is very helpful for entrepreneurs and the persons who are starting his own business or new businesses. This book is very helpful to them. Number 5, the book name is Extreme Ownership. This book is all about leadership skills and taking responsibilities for everything happens to you and not blaming others. The main part of the book includes 12 principles in short qualities. So this book is all about 2 great SEAL members that are Jocko Willink and Leif Babin. This book shows how they have applied these principles in their life and war and have achieved great success. This is a great leadership book. If you are in a business, then it is a must read, and if not, then also it will help you in other areas like relationship and health. It's about taking responsibility and changing things and not just blaming other people. So my final conclusion is, life is very short. Don't waste your time doing silly things. If you are still confused in life, then check out these books and start reading them. I can't assure that these books will change your life and solve your problems, but they can surely show you the way to solve them. But also you will get some positive attitude and positive vibes by reading those books. If you think you got some information from this video, then like this video and share it to your friends, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe my channel.